Today we're diving into the world of HTML tables and how to style them with CSS for a sleek, professional look. Tables are a fundamental part of HTML and are perfect for presenting data in a grid-like format. When you need to display information in rows and columns, tables are your go-to structure. This is the final table that we are going to end up with. This video will guide you through the process to create it. We'll start with a basic table without any CSS styling. This is what it looks like. The cells within the table hold either data or headers. All of these cells are data, and they use the td tag. All of these are headers, and they use the th tag. Notice that when using the th tag, the scope attribute is set to indicate whether the header is for a row or a column. Cells such as this one can span multiple columns by setting the col_span attribute to the desired number of columns. All of these cells are grouped into a collection of rows using the tr tag. Now let's add some CSS styling. We'll add a border and padding to the data and header cells using the border and padding property. We can center the data within the cells using the text align property. To merge these double edges into single edges, we'll use the border collapse property. We'll also make the outside border thicker using the border property. This table has three different areas: the head section, the body section, and the foot section. In order to be able to apply styles to these areas individually, we're going to add some more HTML tags. We'll use the thead tag to surround the head section, the tbody tag to surround the body section, and the tfoot tag to surround the foot section. Now we can use this style to change the background color of the head and foot sections. We can use this style to align the text to the left for only the header cells in the body and foot sections. We can use this style to set the font to bold for the data cell in the foot section. One last thing that we're going to add is a caption. We can do that by using a caption tag. Then we'll style it by moving it to the bottom and setting the padding and font weight. And there you have it. Tables are a powerful tool. Combine them with CSS, and you can create something that looks great. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and leave a comment.